Hi, John. Good to see you. And thank you for taking your time to this call. Can you tell me a little bit about what your role is and what your company is doing?
So I'm a project integration manager at Momentum Manufacturing Group. MMG is a highly skilled team working in about 14 facilities. We have about 850,000 square feet of dedicated metal manufacturing space. And we need to design automated solutions that can be capable of working with numerous machine tools from a variety of manufacturers, and many of which have multiple models working here. This isn't exactly optimal for automation. So cooperative robots bring an important value to many of our intended solutions. Typically, the processes last 5 to 10 minutes long. So duplicating robots, duplicating advanced measuring systems, and other ancillary functions, all to operate at maybe 1/10 of their capability, would be an extraordinarily wasteful investment. But all of this has been overcome with the mobile solution that we developed. The one robot that we have can handle multiple lathes. We expect that it'll be handling 3 lathes very soon and delivering all of the products to the cleaning station, then the measuring station, and then boxing finished parts for each part. When the lathe is near completion, it makes a call, and the robot, which typically will be in the measuring station over here, will leave that position and go over and position in front of the lathe. Shortly after, the lathe finishes and the door opens, and the robot starts to begin to find itself. So it goes to a camera view of a checkerboard shape that helps it determine where it is in respect to the lathe. And then it reaches in, grabs the part. The lathe is told that the robot has the part and releases it. And the robot takes the part out of the machine. The robot takes off and goes to the coordinate measurement station. It drives onto a charging station, and the battery is being recharged the whole time that it's at the station. The device first puts the part in a cleaning station and then takes the part from the cleaning station and puts it in the coordinate measurement machine, which holds on to the part. The measurements are made, and as soon as they're complete, dimensional information goes back to the lathe, so the lathe can be compensated should there be tool. The robot goes in and picks up the part from the coordinate measurement machine and then places the part in a box that has pigeonholes to safely allow us to transport the part to the customer. And then the process is repeated.
Do you expect that your own people will be capable of implementing and deploying the robots in the future?
We do expect to have our automation engineer design the primary functionality, and then our operators to be able to adjust and define specific job requirements. Enabled robot has a lot of self-learning capabilities that can be taught to our operators. So we expect in the long run that the operators will be able to make their own adjustments for probably 80% of the time. We're quite comfortable with being able to basically move the setup maybe every minute as we go from the lathe to the coordinate measurement machine to the boxing. And that lends incredible capability that we're looking forward to implement in many locations. I think the lessons learned in doing the first one will allow us to move much more quickly through the developments.
Thank you very much for taking time for having a chat with us, and looking forward to do more business and assist you in the future.